this is Gallagher123123, and in this video I want to review something cool. I had done a review, or not really a review, but showing you how to set up the Odin mobile voicemail, but I'd never gotten one of their accessible phones. Well, I have finally gotten one, and this is the Odin VI. And in other countries, this has been around, and it was known as the Alto too. So you may have heard of this phone as that name. The Odin VI is a feature phone. It's a slide-out phone that's completely accessible. In this video, what we'll do, I'll give you a little physical description, and we'll look at turning it on and making a call. Or we may not do making a call in this video, but we'll do like the menus and show you some basics. So let's get started with the physical description. This is a slide-out phone that's very easy to use. And this one that I have is orange. The phone comes in 3 colors: orange, black, and blue. So with it closed, you have the following buttons on the front. You have the call button, and you have, next to that you have the little D-pad with up, down, and OK, and then the end call button. This also turns on your phone. And sliding it open, reveals the keypad. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, star, or they call it asterisk, 0, pound, known as hash. Because this phone was made in Switzerland. So now what we'll do is we'll turn the phone on. This phone, I said, is completely accessible. Everything on it talks. It's the most accessible. Actually, this is my first accessible phone. I've used several, and this is my first accessible one. Hold on, I just accidentally closed it. There we go. So now we're going to turn it on. To turn it on, you hold down the end call button until you hear an antique, like, phone ring sound. Now I'm going to hold the phone in my hand, and I'm going to hold down this button for a few seconds. So I'm going to hold it down 1, 2, 3. The screen has come up, and there it comes. Now it's going to give it a nice introduction in a couple seconds.
Welcome to the mobile phone Odin. This is a talking phone. You can repeat any sentence by pressing the top side key. Adjust the volume using the bottom side keys. Odin is ready.
Oh, aren't I terrible? I forgot to show you those other keys. So what we'll do... Someone is apparently texting.
You have new messages. Odin is ready.
So now we're back to the main screen. I'm going to close the phone, and you'll hear a click. And now, because we're going to do this part with the flip closed. And now we're at the main screen. So on the left side of the phone, there's a little thing that you can pull up to reveal the micro USB charger. And then on the right side of the phone, you have the top side key that I mentioned, which repeats what the phone has spoken. And then you have volume up and volume down. So now that that's taken care of, let's open up the phone again. And
10:48 p.m.
Whoops.
Odin is ready.
Hold on. I'm opening it back up.
10:48 p.m. Odin is ready.
So now we're at the main screen where we can type in a phone number or we can enter the menus. Just to show how this works, I'm going to dial into the local NFB Newsline number. So I'll do 6
6 1 7.
Now the phone's echoing back, and it's set to a British male voice, which is what it comes on.
2 3 2 2 3 2 3.
And now we'll press call.
Calling to 617232223 in progress.
And now I'm going to press the OK key, which will put on speaker.
Welcome to NFB Newsline.
Now I just hit the end call, and now we should be at the main screen. Now, on the main screen, that top side key on the right side of the phone will give status.
Your carrier is home. The signal level is at 100%. The battery is 60% charged.
And it tells us that. So now we'll enter the menu by pressing the OK key.
Call log.
Call log. We'll go into these menu items in another video. So there's the call log,
Contacts.
contacts,
Messages.
messages,
Settings.
settings,
Alarms.
alarms,
Help.
and help.
Call log.
Now we'll look, as I said, we'll look at these in finer detail, maybe in my next video.
Odin is ready.
So to switch off the phone, you press that end call button from the main screen.
Would you like to switch off your Odin mobile phone?
And now we'll press OK. And it's off. It's a very simple phone. The phone costs $150 and can be purchased from odinmobile.com. ODINMOBILE.com. I highly recommend it. I've only had it for a few hours now, since like 3 o'clock today, but it's a terrific phone. And also, I just want to encourage you guys to stay subscribed and keep checking out my channel, because I have some other gadgets to review. Just to spoil it for you guys, I have the Acer C720 Chromebook, as well as a Dell Venue 8 Pro tablet to review. So, please stay tuned, and I'll see you in my next video.